Oh, yep. That's when you saw Riley. So, do you remember Bucket?
Did you say F it?
So do you remember Bucket? Like a pizza Hut where you can
Bucket?
Bucket. Uh, I see it's where you get the stuff and you mark it on and you need a book. There was.
Book it?
Yep, you have to read your program at Pizza Hut.
Well, that's old, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah. I would kind of like to. I would kind of like to let my viewers know that if they didn't already know that the Nickelodeon started out as a premium at Pizza Hut. Oh, you can get it in the stores, but they discontinued that. But they discontinued but they just discontinued that version of Nick Magazine and
Oh, yeah.
not too long after it was conceived. And then 21 years ago, I think that's what that. I think that's approximate. Um, Nickelodeon Magazine was relaunched. And as a matter of fact, I think I like to get some Nickelodeon magazines off of Amazon one of these days.
Is she falling? Okay.
Yes.
There's Spanish variety.
Oh yeah, you got her safety glasses on. Good. That's a home puppy gun, isn't it? Home puppy marble.
Hey everybody. Breaking the fourth wall. Yep, she's here. Hello, Daddy Put. And